Potato, tomato, why do they sound so similar? Hello, welcome to Light Linguistics. Potatoes and tomatoes are both native to the Americas, so there were no potatoes or tomatoes in Europe until the 1500s. As the foods were imported, the names came with them. Tomatoes were cultivated by the Aztec in central Mexico. In their language, Nahuatl, they were called tomatl. The Spanish had a really hard time with that tl at the end, so they just called it tomata. And that tomata became tomato in English. Completely unrelated, potatoes are from the Andes Mountains in South America. They were the main crop of the Inca civilization, and they called them papa. But another group that the Spanish encountered first, the Taino, grew sweet potatoes and called them batata. It's believed that Spanish confused the crops, mixed the names, and called them patata. English borrowed the words from Spanish, and it's been speculated that tomato influenced the pronunciation of potato, but the jury's still out on that. The words come from completely different language families, from different civilizations on different continents, but to the English at the time, they might as well be cousins. Interestingly, Spanish, spoken in the Americas, prefers the term papa for potato, the indigenous word, instead of the European form patata. Hope you found this fruitful, and like and follow for more language.